Welcome to the ultimate backyard playground experience. Introducing our latest masterpiece, the football goalpost turf. Crafted with precision and packed with features, this custom-designed outdoor playground equipment is here to revolutionize your outdoor fun. Let's break it down. Our football goalpost turf boasts durability and reliability like no other. Rain or shine, this turf keeps the fun going, providing a safe and comfortable surface for all your outdoor adventures. But what truly sets our football goalpost turf apart is the lush turf grass beneath your feet. Soft yet sturdy, it's the perfect canvas for action-packed games and leisurely lounging alike. With rust-free painted square box pipes measuring 75 mm, you can trust that this goalpost will stand tall through countless matches and seasons. The 2.5 mm nylon net ensures that every goal is captured with precision, while the synthetic acrylic color coat adds a vibrant touch that withstands the elements beautifully. So, why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Elevate your backyard with our football goalpost turf and kick off a new era of outdoor excitement today.